Fridays have been feeling a little slower lately, and honestly, I'm trying to lean into that. I started my morning picking out my outfit, something simple, comfortable, and still a little put together. There's something about getting dressed slowly that makes my whole day feel a little more intentional. And of course, I made my morning matcha. It's such a tiny routine, but it's one of the things that makes my mornings feel softer. I don't know about you guys, but whisking it and pouring it over ice, it's like a quiet reset before the day begins. It's nothing rushed, nothing hectic. It's just like a slow start to my Friday. And then once I'm ready to head out, your girl's great because she's got a matcha in her hand. Too many ice cubes. Of course, I had to give a quick OOTD in the mirror before stepping out. Everything is, I believe, from Old Navy. Once I was ready to head out for the day, I didn't have anything majorly planned, so I just let the day unfold at its own pace. Later on, I arrived back at home and I received a lovely package from TikTok Shop. I decided to finally splurge and buy the handbag that has been sitting in my cart forever. And you guys, I am seriously obsessed with this cherry wine chocolatey colored purse. I have honestly not put it down since I have unboxed it. And if I'm being honest, I will probably end up going back and getting the black handbag as well because why not? On this, hold on. By the evening, I was ready to slow down again. I made some popcorn, turned off most of the lights, and just let myself unwind. There's something comforting about ending the day quietly without any pressure to do anything big or exciting. And I wrapped the night with the best way I know how. Curled up with a blanket, popcorn in hand, and Hulu.